In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new pages and add them to the menu in Wix Studio. Whether you're setting up a fresh website, expanding your current one, or simply organizing your navigation, knowing how to create and manage pages is a fundamental skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident customizing your site and ensuring your visitors can easily find what they're looking for. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix Studio account. Head over to the Wix homepage, and in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the login button. Click on that to open the login options. If you have a Google account linked to Wix, you can save some time by selecting the Continue with Google option. Enter your credentials, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. Now that you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand side of the screen there. You'll see an icon that represents pages. It's usually labeled or visually distinct, so it's easy to locate. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the page management options, where you can view your existing pages and, most importantly, add new ones. To create a new page, look for the plus icon within the page manager. This icon is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Click on the plus symbol, and a menu will appear asking what kind of page you want to create. Select Page as the type of content you're adding. This ensures you're creating a standard page that can be fully customized and incorporated into your site's structure. Now, it's time to give your new page a purpose. Rename it to clearly reflect its content or its role within your website. For example, if this page will be a blog, you might name it Blog or Articles. If it's a contact page, simply call it Contact Us. The name you choose here will help both you and your visitors understand the page's purpose at a glance. So be specific yet concise. Once you've named your page, it's time to bring it to life. Wix Studio gives you a wide range of design tools to make your page visually appealing and functional. Add text, images, videos, and other design elements that align with your brand and the purpose of the page. Use this opportunity to ensure your page is consistent with the overall look and feel of your website. Remember, the goal is to keep things intuitive and professional for your audience. Now that your page is ready, the next step is to make sure your visitors can find it. To do this, navigate to your site's main navigation settings. These settings control the menu that appears at the top of your site, where visitors typically look when exploring your content. Once you're in the navigation settings, add your newly created page to the menu. This step is crucial because it ensures your page is visible and easily accessible. Adjust its position in the menu to fit the overall flow of your site, whether it's grouped with similar pages or placed in a prominent spot for high visibility. And that's it. You've successfully created a new page and added it to your site's menu. Take a moment to preview your site and double-check that everything looks and functions as intended. If you need to make adjustments, you can always go back and fine-tune your settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.